Welcome sa Sipnayan.com. In this video, tutuloy natin yung ating series on laws of exponents. No? Sabi natin sa previous video, pag meron tayong 2 cubed, ang ibig sabihin ay 2 times 2 times 2. No? So, tatlong factors ng 2 no, ang ating minumultiply. So, pag sinabi naman natin 2 to the 5th, siguro 2 squared na lang para mas maiksi. No? So, pag sinabi naman natin 2 to the 2 squared, ang ibig sabihin naman yan ay 2 times 2. No? So, pag minultiply natin yung 2 cubed times 2 squared, ibig sabihin yan ay ang 2 cubed sabi natin ay 2 times 2 times 2. So, 2 times 2 times 2. And yung 2 squared natin ay 2 times 2. So, yung exponential notation, meron, yung base natin ay 2 at 5 factors, so 2 to the 5th. No? Let's try another example. So, this is example 1. So, sa example 2, we have negative 3 to the 4th, no? Times negative 3 to the 4th means negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. No? So, 4 na beses. And then, pag meron naman tayong negative 3 squared, no? So, this is also equal to negative 3 times negative 3. So, pag minultiply natin yung negative 3 to the 4th, no? Negative 3 to the 4th times, no? Times negative 3 squared, then the product is equal to yung 4 dito, negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. Tapos meron tayong dalawa, no? Kasi negative 3 squared, negative 3 times negative 3. And again, using the exponential notation, kita natin that ilang factors meron tayo, ilang negative 3. We have 6, di ba? So, this is equal to negative 3 to the 6th. So, ano napapansin nyo? Okay, may pattern ba kayo nakikita? Nakikita natin that pag tayo ay nag-multiply, no, ng numbers, pag in-expand natin to, meron tayong tatlong factors. Pag in-expand natin to, meron tayong dalawang factors. So, actually, ina-add lang natin yung exponent. So, meaning 2 cubed times 2 squared, because these are the number of factors, yung 3 tsaka 2, di ba? So, meaning this is 2 raised to the third power plus 2. So, ina-add natin yung exponent. Also, kung napansin nyo dito, ganun din yung nangyayari dito. Meron tayong 4 na factors, meron tayong 2 factors. Therefore, meron tayong 6 na factors. Meaning, this is negative 3 raised to the 4th plus 2. So, in general, ibig sabihin, pag meron tayong x raised to, or a raised to the m times a raised to the nth power, it is equal to 8 raised to the m plus n. So, we multiply am, the number of factors is m times, the number of factors is n times, meaning the product is m plus n times. No? So, siguro magkaroon tayo ng a few examples. So, example 1, we have what is x to the 4th times x to the 7th. Well, i-add lang natin yung exponent. No? So, this is x to the 4th time, or x to the 4th plus 7, which is equal to x raised to 11th, or to the 11th power. Next, what about y times y cubed? Okay. So, ano mangyari dito? 3 pa rin ba? Kasi walang number dito, na? Walang number dito, di ba? So, is this 0? Is this 1? Well, kung susundin natin to, we have ang y natin, uh, ang y natin ay y, tapos ang y cube natin, y cubed is equal to y times y times y. So, tatlong y, factors, and then another y. Pag minultiply mo itong dalawa, ibig sabihin this is y raised to the fourth power. Ibig sabihin, meron tayong nakalagay na 1 dito. Hindi na natin nalagay. So, lahat actually na walang exponent, pag walang nakalagay na exponent, automatic ang power niyan ay, automatic ang exponent niyan ay 1. Okay? Okay, let's have our last example. This is 2c squared times negative 3c to the fifth. So, dito may kasama na tayong number, no? O natawag natin yung numerical coefficients. So, 2 tsaka negative 3. Siyempre, unahin natin i-multiply. This is negative 6. And c squared times c to the fifth is c squared plus c to the second power plus 5. Meaning this is negative 6 c raised to the seventh power. Okay, so that's it. Yan yung ating unang law of exponent. Ang tawag natin dyan ay product rule. No? So, we will have more examples in the next video. No? So, more examples pa ng paggamit ng product rule. So, kayong invite sa ating website sa youtube.com/user/Sipnayan.ph. Ito yung ating YouTube channel. And our Facebook page, facebook.com/Sipnayan.ph. Mag-subscribe kayo, no? Kasi madami tayong ina-upload every week. Maraming salamat. See you in the next video.